Hey guys, I'm Jonas. Today we're finally going to get started reassembling our big block swapped Yamaha G29. So to back up just a little bit, when I was tearing this cart down to install our big block conversion kit from Vegas Karts and our A-arm style lift kit from Mad Jacks, I figured out pretty quick that there really wasn't going to be much left that was still attached to this frame that we needed. Really, all that we had left was our steering column and gearbox, along with the floor pan, which also holds the fuel tank and the battery. Pretty well everything else was going to be coming off of this cart to either get painted or replaced with new parts. So I thought, what better time than now to just go ahead and take this cart all the way down to the bare frame. Then we could blast the frame and then repaint it. But instead of just going back with a plain black frame like it came with, we could do something to really help set this cart apart a little bit. So we decided to paint it a pearl metallic synergy green, which is one of the colors that we did on the body. So now that we finally got all of our parts in and we got everything back from paint, we're ready to start putting this cart back together. Now I know I'm going to get some questions from you guys about this conversion kit from Vegas Karts, so I want to go ahead and try to answer some of those for you right now. Now Vegas Karts has been around for quite a few years and they specialize in building conversion kits for golf carts, all different makes and models of carts and for different types of engines. So you can go out and buy a Predator engine or a Honda engine or a Vanguard engine and then buy the kit from Vegas Karts to install that engine into your particular cart. Now while they don't have conversion kits for every single type of cart out there, they do have them for a lot of different makes and models, just like this one for the Yamaha G29 that they just came out with. Now an important thing that you need to know if you're interested in doing a big block conversion like this on your cart is that you do have to have a lift kit installed on your cart to get the amount of clearance that you need for this engine to fit. As far as the actual level of difficulty to install this kit, they're really pretty easy. As long as you've got some basic mechanical knowledge and a good set of hand tools, you should be able to do this kit yourself. Now our situation with this cart was a little bit different. Where we were tearing this cart completely down to do a full build on it, our reassembly process was a little bit different than what yours is going to be if you're just doing the conversion kit alone. You don't have to remove the body and everything from your cart like we did to be able to install this kit. Installing this kit from Vegas Karts doesn't require any type of special tools or any fabrication work to be done. Everything is just bolt on and ready to go. The only extra work that we had to do was extending the wiring harness from where the ignition switch used to be on the engine up to the dash. Now I pretty well got everything hooked up, so we're ready to test run this engine to make sure that everything's working properly before I go ahead and reinstall the body back on the kart. Well, I'm going to end this video off here, guys. In the next video, we're going to be getting the body put back on this thing and hopefully going to be taking it for our first test drive. So if you guys want to catch that, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell down below. Well, that's going to wrap it up for today, guys. If you got some good value out of this video, please hit that thumbs up button. Consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.